Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to delete a code off of your Kwikset code lock. So what we want to do is remove the back area covering, and we have a couple of screws, one on each side. So we're going to take a little Phillips head screwdriver, remove those, and then we can pop this back covering right off. And we're going to be using the program button during this process, but I'm going to take you over to the other side. Now to delete a code, it's going to be slightly different depending on what type of Kwikset SmartCode model that you have. I'm going to try to touch on the differences so that you can be successful in either situation. Also, if you have a Mastercode, it's going to be slightly different, but the first example I'm going to do here is assuming you don't have a Mastercode, then I'll show you a Mastercode option after that. But what we want to do is click the program button on the back. If you have a model that has a check mark on it, so a digital readout, you can press that, but then we're going to click lock, enter in the code that we want to delete, click lock, enter in the code that we want to delete again, click lock. We get that buzzer sound which indicates that we have been successful. So now with that particular code, if I have the door locked and I enter in that code, we can see that it is no longer working. Now to quickly walk you through the process if you have a Mastercode. So again, you would click on the program button on the back. If you have a digital readout here, you need to click the check mark first, but then whether you have the digital readout or not, we need to click the lock. Then you would enter in your Mastercode, click lock again, then enter in the code you want to delete, click lock, and then enter in the code you want to delete a second time, click lock, and then that is the process on how to delete a code using a Mastercode before going through the process of deleting the particular code that you want to get rid of. But I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, walking you through the steps on how to delete a code on your Kwikset code lock. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.